Hey everybody, this is Chris and welcome back to another pronunciation video. I know a lot of people have been enjoying my previous videos, and this time I want to talk about some difficult to pronounce consonant clusters containing r. For example, br, cr, dr, fr, etc. Okay, so let's have a look at some of these. The first one is br, which is b plus r. Okay, so for example, bread, bread. So at the beginning of this word, my mouth is like this, b, 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 pronouncing this plosive consonant sound, br, and then it's opening up slowly, br, 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 bread, bread, brush, brush, brother, brother, and bright, bright. These all contain that br sound. The next one is cr, cr. Okay, so the beginning sound of this is something like a cr. It's almost like this. It's because it's k plus r. K plus r is cr, cr, crab, crab, crack, crack, cream, and crew. Okay, and the third one is dr, dr. So technically this is a d plus a r. So at the beginning my mouth is making this d, d, d sound, slightly open like this, d, d, and then I'm changing to a r, dr, dr. So actually it makes the dr sound more like this, but my mouth is wider open. Dr, 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 dry, dry. Okay, try pronouncing these slowly. Dry, dry. So it's not dry, it's dry. Drink, drink. Dream, not dream. Normally we would say dream, dream. And drop, drop. Okay, so this is dr. The next one is fr. Okay, so this is like the f sound, but with a r on the end. So fr, 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 fr. So it's like I'm opening my mouth at the end. My bottom lip is moving off of my top lip. Fr, fr, and I'm saying a little bit of a sound. Fr, fr. Frame, frame, free, 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 French, French, frost, frost. Okay, and the next one is gr, gr, which is technically g plus r, making the sound gr, gr. Watch my mouth shape change as I pronounce this sound. Gr, gr. So it's got a little bit of a gr sound at the beginning. Gr, gr. Grab, grab. Grass, grass. And grill, grill. All have this gr sound. And the last one is tr, tr. So technically this is t plus r, but you don't pronounce the full t sound. They blend together in a blending sound. So this would be tr. So my mouth starts like this. Tr, tr, tr. You need to practice this one. Tree. Normally we wouldn't say tree, tree. We'd say tree, tree. Trick, trick. Tread, tread. Train, train. Track, track. True, true. And try, try, Okay, very good. So we've practiced a lot of these consonant cluster sounds using the R sound. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Also, check out all of the rest of my videos and lessons on my website, speakenglishwithchris.com, and you can sign up there to receive all of my updates. So thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye, everybody.